Hello, teacher.
Hello, Anyan. Good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening.
Okay, so how are you, Anyan?
I'm good.
Yeah, that's fine. That's very good because you feel good. Okay. Okay. So, Anyan, what are the things that you have done today? Can you tell me?
Mm,
What did you do today?
I study.
You studied. Okay, and then
I play with my friend.
with your
My friend.
friend. Okay.
Uh,
All right. So, how about the weather tonight? How was it?
Is sunny.
It's sunny. Okay, that's very good. Okay, so for tonight, Anyan, we are having a new activity and lesson, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, and Anyan, don't forget tomorrow, we are going to have class at the same time. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, but don't worry, I will message your dad about it, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, but just don't forget that tomorrow night and on Thursday we can have a lesson because I'm available at this time, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so let's begin now. Okay, are we finished with this one, Anyan? Or not
Mm,
yet? Not
out-
yet?
Outdoor activities.
Yes. Are we finished studying this one or not yet?
Mm,
Wait, I'm going to check.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So we haven't started this lesson yet. Okay, so tonight we are having this material. So our lesson for tonight is outdoor activities, okay? Okay, is that okay, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will ask you a question. What do you mean by outdoor activities?
Mm,
What do you mean by outdoor activities? Can you tell me?
I don't know.
Or maybe you can give me a guess.
Mm,
Okay, what do you mean by outdoor activity?
I don't know.
Oh, based on the picture, what can you say about the picture?
A, a family.
Okay, so they are a family now. What do you think are they doing?
They climbing a mountain.
Yes, they are climbing a mountain. Okay, now I will tell you. Outdoor activities, these are the things that we do outside our house. Okay, so for example, we go on a mountain climbing, we go on a beach, we swim in the swimming pool, we play with our friends outside, we go to the park, we play basketball in the gymnasium. Okay, so these are
Yeah.
the examples of outdoor activities. Okay, so let's begin. So our first activity will be number one activity. It's on the mountain. Okay, so all you have to do, Anyan, is to read the story. Okay, and then fill in the blanks with your correct answer. So you can choose your answer from the yellow box on the top. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so start reading now, Anyan.
My dad and I are going hiking today. We are going to the mountain. My dad is wearing hiking boots. Boots. I am wearing long pants. I am wearing a sun
Wait, wait,
hat.
wait. Wait, my dad is wearing hiking boots, right?
Yeah.
So what's next? You choose your
Uh,
answer from the yellow box.
yeah.
What do you think? My dad is wearing hiking boots. What's next?
He is carrying carrying a can too.
Okay, he is carrying a cane too. Next.
I am wearing long pants. I am wearing a sunbat hat.
Mm-hmm.
I have a small backpack.
Okay, I have a small backpack. Continue.
They all eat breeze.
The air.
The air is breeze
Is fresh.
and fresh
Mm-hmm.
and clean.
Uh-huh.
The weather is great too.
Okay, the weather is great too. Very good. Okay, so now let's have warm up activity letter B. Read and match. Okay, so you just have to match the numbers on the other side of the box. Okay. Okay, so you just tell me your answer. You don't have to write it. Okay, Anyan?
Yeah.
So number one, please read number one.
Hmm. Bean and his dad are going hiking today.
Hiking.
Hiking today.
Okay, let's check. Okay, you are correct. How about number two?
Finn is wearing long pants.
Yes, Finn is wearing a long pants. Number three,
The R is
the
R.
air.
Air is fresh and clean.
Wow, very good. The air is fresh and clean. Okay, that is correct. 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, so next one. Okay, look at the screen, Anyan. So we are going to have word practice or vocabulary, okay? So what do you think is the first picture, Anyan? Can you read it, please?
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Skiing.
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 Okay, now what do you mean by skiing, Anyan?
Hmm. You can skiing.
Now what do you do when you ski?
in in the snow.
Yes. So skiing, this one is a kind of activity that we do in a snow, okay? So we have to
Yeah.
use the, what do you call this one? Mm, wait, I forgot. What do you call that? Okay, never mind. I will, when I remember it, I will tell you. So skiing, this one is a kind of activity that we do on the snow, okay? So
Yeah.
how about picture number 2, Anyan? Can you read it?
The K export doing.
What is it?
Carry export doing.
Okay, very good. Cave exploring. Okay.
K exploring.
Okay, now what do you do when you say cave exploring?
You can see very uh, you can see many rock, many beautiful rock.
Yes, so cave exploring, that is an activity that we do, like we are going inside a cave and we look at the beautiful scenery, and then we can also swim if there is a lake in the cave, okay? So next one, Anyan, what is the last one?
By riding,
Again, what is it?
bike riding.
Yes, bike riding. Okay. So Anyan, do you have a bike?
Yeah,
Wow, what's the color of your bike?
is yellow.
Yellow. Okay, now, where do you often use your bike?
Hmm. It do exercise. Hmm.
Yeah, when? When do you use it? Do you use it every day in the morning?
No. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, now. Okay, now where do you ride your bike? Do you ride your bike going to school or do you use it in the park?
In the park.
In the
Park.
park. Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's answer this one, Anyan. This one is a word practice. Choose and write the correct word, okay? So you have
Yeah.
to choose from skiing, cave exploring, camping, and bike riding. Okay, so number 1, Anyan, read and answer.
One. My family is going camping.
Okay, is going
Camping.
camping. Very good. Number 2,
My family is going exploring.
cave exploring. Number 3,
My family is going skating.
going
Skiing. Skiing.
going skiing.
Skiing.
Okay, very good. Number 4,
My family is going by riding.
yes, bike riding. Okay, very good, Anyan. So 4 points for this activity. Okay, so now, Anyan, let's have some word practice again, okay? Can you read the following words, Anyan?
Bike. Park.
Uh-huh.
Go. Go. Girls. Helmet. Hiking boots. Lantern.
Mm-hmm.
Ski jacket.
Ski jacket. Okay, next.
Ski pants.
Ski
Pants.
pants. And
Car.
cane.
Crane.
Okay, now, Anyan. Um, so if ever that you have a backpack, okay, what do you put inside it?
In. Mm,
What
later.
do you put?
A.
What do you put inside the backpack? Or what is the use of a backpack, Anyan?
Mountain.
Yeah, so if ever that you have a lot of things, you can put it in your backpack so that you can carry it easily. Very good. Now, how about a goggles? What is the use of a goggles?
Hmm. And you can use goggle in you swimming.
Okay. So when you swim, you wear your goggles so that you can open your eyes in the water. Very good. How about the helmet? So what's the use of a helmet, Anyan?
Hmm. Hmm. Ride a motorbike.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, so we use a helmet when we ride on a motorbike or a bicycle, okay? So that our
Yeah.
head will be protected and safe. Okay, next one. Why do you have to use a hiking boots when you go on a hiking?
And you use hiking balls when you climb the mountain.
Yes. So you wear hiking boots when you climb a mountain. Very good. Okay, now, how about a lantern? So what's the use of a lantern?
You can use lantern when care exploring.
When?
When you care exploring.
Yes, that's correct. When you having a cave exploring. Very good. Okay, next one. So lantern is used so that we can have a light, okay, when the place is dark. Okay, so next one, Anyan. So why do you have to wear a ski jacket when you go on a skiing activity?
Hmm. We can use ski jacket when we ski
Mm-hmm. Oh, why?
skiing
Why do you have to wear it, Anyan?
because
Because
when when skating is very cold.
Yes, you are correct. We wear ski jacket because the quality of the jacket is very thick and it can protect us from the cold weather or the snow. Okay, next one, Anyan. Ski pants.
We use skip them because when skating is very cold.
Yes, because it's very cold. That's why we have to wear a ski pants. Okay, last one. Why do we have to use a cane when we go on a skiing activity?
We use ski when we we climb a mountain.
Okay, so we use cane so that it can help us to climb on a mountain. Very good, Anyan. Okay, now Anyan, let's have activity number 2, word practice, letter B. Look and match. Okay, so look at the pictures, Anyan, and then tell me the correct answer for it. Okay, I will encircle the picture.
Yeah,
Okay, now Anyan, what do you call this one?
a backpack, pack, backpack,
Okay. Next one. How about this? What's this?
a progress,
Again?
progress,
Goggles.
goggle,
Okay, next one. How about this? What is this?
a ski pen,
Ski pants. Okay, this one?
a coat, can,
Again?
can,
Cane. Okay, good job. This one?
a lantern,
Okay, this one?
a hiking boot,
Hiking boots. Okay, this one?
boot, a ski jacket,
Okay, and the last one is?
helmet,
Helmet. Okay, so now let us check. Okay, backpack is correct. Goggles is correct. Number 2. Number 3 is lantern. 4 is ski jacket. 5 is ski pants. 6, helmet. 7 is hiking boots. And 8 is a cane. All right. Good job, Anyan. You got the perfect score. Okay.
yeah,
So now, Anyan, let's have grammar practice. Okay. This one is quite difficult. So you have to think of it before you answer. So it says here that circle the number and say the sentences, okay? So I will
yeah,
give number 1 as an example. Okay, number 1 is an example. I can make 3 sentences with the word my dad and I. Okay, look at that, Anyan. So it starts with my dad and I, okay? So we can make 3 sentences. My dad and I are skiing. So that's number 1. Next, my dad and I are in the mountain. Okay, that's 2. Next, my dad and I go hiking in the mountains. Okay, so total of 3 sentences. Okay, Anyan?
yeah.
So let's try. How about number 2, Anyan? How many sentences can you make with the word Sam?
Can I make some like pretty beach?
How many first? How many sentences do you think can you make?
Hmm. Hmm. 3 sentences.
3 sentences. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are these sentences, Anyan? Can you tell me?
Some are pretty beach.
Sam,
Some are sighing.
again. Sam are
Pretty
Oh,
beach.
are you sure? Some are pretty beaches. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe we can use Sam likes pretty beaches. Okay. What's
Yeah.
the second one? Sam.
Go hiking in the mountain.
Okay, that's correct. That's 2. What is the last one?
Some lies sighing.
Likes
Skiing.
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 Okay, so let's check. Okay, so it says here that we can make 2 sentences. Okay. Sam likes skiing and Sam likes pretty beaches.
Yeah.
Okay, well, anyway, your answer is still correct because you have said this sentences. Okay, so number 3. How many sentences can you make with the word there?
Hmm.
How many sentences can you make with the word there?
One sentence.
1 sentence only?
Yeah.
Okay, now what sentence is that? Can you tell me?
There are pretty beaches.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, very good. There are pretty beaches. Wow. Good job, Anyan. Got 3 points. Okay, so now let us go to the next one. Okay, so it says here, Anyan, that this one is activity number 3, grammar practice. Okay, so check the mistake and correct it. So number 1 is an example, okay? The sentence is, we are go camping today. So the wrong word is go, okay, Anyan? The wrong
Yeah.
word is go. So the correct word must be going. So we are going camping today. Okay, so number 2, Anyan, can you read the sentence?
They are going to school.
They are going at school. So do you think it's correct or not?
Yeah.
It's correct? Okay, so uh the word at is wrong. So it must be they are going to
Two.
school. Okay, not at. Okay, so let's try number 3. Can you read it?
He is wearing long pants.
Okay, he is wearing long pant. Long pant. Okay, so what do you think is the correct or the wrong word there?
Pants.
Pant. Okay, now what is the correct word?
The pants.
Okay, pants. Very good. Number 4. Can you read it?
She had an lantern. An
Again, she has.
lantern.
Do you think it's correct?
No.
What is the correct, what is the wrong word there?
The
An. Okay, now what is the correct word that we must use?
the oh
It's
oh
okay, very good. She has a lantern. Okay, number 5, Anyan.
there are three tent.
There are.
Three tent.
Okay, now what do you think is the wrong word there?
Tent.
Okay, now what is the correct word?
Tents.
Okay, good job. Next, number 6.
The ear are fresh and clean.
The air are fresh and clean. Now, what is the wrong word?
Ah,
Are. Okay, now what's the correct word?
E.
Is. Very good. Next, number 7.
We go skate every winter.
We go ski every winter. Now, what's the correct answer?
Skate.
Again,
Skate
ski. Okay, now what's the correct word?
is skiing.
Okay, skiing. Very good. Number 8.
My dad and I am hiking.
My dad and I am hiking.
Hiking.
Okay, now what's the
I
wrong word?
I am.
I.
Am.
Okay, now what's the correct word?
We are.
Are. Yes, very good, Anyan. Okay, you got
Yeah.
the perfect score. One mistake. Okay, so 6 points. Very good. Okay, now let's proceed to activity number 4. Write the words in the correct order. Okay, so you just have to correct the sentence. So number 1, are cave exploring, we going. What's the correct form?
We going exploring.
Again. I think that's wrong.
We are going exploring.
Okay, we are going cave exploring. Very good. Next, number 2. It cool feels in the cave.
It is feel cool in the cave.
What do you think is the correct sentence?
It feel cool. It cool in the caves.
It.
Cool in the caves.
No, that's wrong. Can you fix it?
It,
Just fix it.
it in the cool fields.
No. No, no, no. You fix it again. One more time.
It cool fields in the cave.
One more time, one more time. It's near, it's near.
It feels cool in the cave.
Okay, that is correct. It feels cool in the cave. Very good. Number 3. Is everyone wearing a helmet?
Everyone wearing is a helmet.
Again, again, again.
Everyone is wearing a helmet.
Okay, everyone is wearing a helmet. Next, number 4. Carrying backpack. He is a.
He is carrying a backpack.
Let's see. He is carrying a backpack. Okay, that is correct. Very good, Anya. This one is very easy for you.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 points. Okay, so now let's have this one. Look and write the sentence using the correct be verb. Okay, so I will give you example as number 1. Okay, my family is going rafting today. Okay, here. You always start with my family, okay? My family. So you have to put is. Is going rafting today. Okay, now let's have number 2, Anyan. We
Going to the mountain.
Okay, now what do you have? What word do you have to put there? You choose. Is, are, to, be, our. What do you think is the correct word that we must put there?
We are
Very good. We are.
going to the mountain.
Okay, that's correct. Next one, Anyan. Number 3. My family.
My
Okay, we. You can start with we.
we
We.
are wearing helmets.
Very good. Next, number 4. Start with we.
Mm. We are wearing life jacket.
Life.
Life jacket.
Okay, good job. We are wearing life jackets. Next, number 6 or 5. Start with we.
We are wearing socks.
Okay, we are wearing shorts. Last one.
We are wearing aqua shoes.
Again, again, again.
We are wearing aqua shoes.
Yes, we are wearing aqua shoes. Very good. Because you can easily understand what is the instruction. So you got a perfect score again. See? If you're listening, you get a good score.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, Anya, let's have the last activity. It's letter C. Write words about your family activities on the mountain. Okay, so you have to choose your words that you will use here on the pictures, okay? So you choose your word here. Okay? So for example, number 1. Okay, I will give you example number 1. Okay, I will start with number 1. We, okay, it says that you must start with we. Okay? We are we are going cave exploring. Okay, that's my answer in number 1. So in number 2, I will answer, we are bringing our backpack. Okay, so do you understand what to do, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just have to start with the word we. Okay, always start with the word we here, and then choose your
Yeah.
words from the word bank. So here in this part, in number 4, I will explain, okay? So in number 4, you start with my, okay? In 5 and 6, in 6 and 7, you start with my. And this one, 8 and 9, you start with I, okay?
Yeah.
So you just have to make your own sentence. Just choose your words here from the word bank. Okay, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I will give this one as a homework so that you can think of it and you just have to write it on your paper. So we are going to check it tomorrow night. Okay, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will send this picture in Zalo so that you can write it in a piece of paper. Okay? All right. So good night, Anyan. See you again tomorrow night.
Good night, teacher. See you
Okay.
again.
Good night. Chukngungon.
Chúng ngon.
See you tomorrow.
See you again.